Good day, math lovers. Let's consider this question. This question is coming from angles in a triangle. So we have to find marked angles. So we have this triangle and we have to find the marked angles. So that we have to find this U and this V. Now you notice that this is a triangle and we have three angles in a triangle. And remember that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is what is 180 degrees. So the sum of this 1, 2, 3, when we add it together, that will give us 180 degrees. Now, but before we can find any of these two angles, we must know the value of this V. And remember that this V and this 100, they are on a straight line. So remember the sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So this V and this 100, they are on a straight line. So let's find V first. So that will be V plus 100 is equal to 180 degrees. Remember the reason is what sum of angles on a straight line. After that, we cannot add V and 100 together, remember. So we are going to send 100 to the other side. So in that case, we are going to have V is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So whenever plus cross equality sign, it return to minus. That's why we have minus here. So we have V is equal to now 180 degree minus 100 degree. When we subtract 100 from 180, we are going to have 80 degree. So our V is 80 degree. Now, since we get V to be 80 degree, remember that the sum of these three angles must be equal to 180. So 60 plus 80 degree plus U will now give us 180 degree now. So here now we have 60 degree plus 80 degree plus U is equal to 180 degree. Now that one is sum of angles of a triangle, sum of angles in a triangle. This one is sum of angle on the straight line, this one is sum of angles in a triangle. That's the reason for this one. Now 60 plus 80, that will give us 140. So we have 140 degree plus U is equal to 180 degree. There is no way you can add 140 and U together. They are not like time. So I will take 140 to cross equality sign. So doing that, I will have U is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. Remember, when plus 140 cross equality sign turn to minus. So we now have U is equal to 180 minus 140. That will give us 40 degree. So the value of V is 80 degree and the value of U is 40 degree. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Mathematics is sugar everywhere. Bye for now.